Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maro's Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN application called the B Shield Net VPN. So guys, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to like the video. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. That is it. Let us start up our tutorial. Open Google Play Store, and once you open Google Play Store, search B Shield VPN. Take note of that app icon, that app name, and then the developer. Download, install that VPN application, and after installing, open that VPN application. So guys, don't forget, keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, demonstrational, informational, and education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So you're going to come right here where you see the updates down, and then you're going to update this VPN application until you see a word that no updates are available. In this case, this, as in, we're going to press OK. And then after, we're going to go step by step because we have now reached the critical moment. We're going to select our server by checking the auto select server, and then you are free to choose from those 9 servers. Choose any server that is near to your country's location, but most of the times I recommend my viewers to keep in the auto select server. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. And then after, you're going to come select and touch where we are seeing mobile data or Wi-Fi. And then after, you're going to search your country. But before searching your country, you're going to switch from that to that. Switch from local network or recommended to all networks. Then you're going to search your country's name by just type your country's name, and then after connect. But you can also search UDP, and then you connect to the whole country UDP, provided that your country supports UDP protocol. Then you're going to add time by watching an advert. You're free to watch that advert, and then after watching that advert, you will be added more time. That is it. We're going to go now where we see that start Sanko like button. Then we tap into that one. Then we connect. Give it some few seconds.
Clean dust from your phone speaker for free.
As you see, our VPN application has connected successfully. That is it. And let me show you. Let us meet in the next tutorial. That is it. I remain Maro's Tech, and I sign out.